Hello everyone. Another very important question asked by one of the learner drivers. So he failed his test today. So what happened is basically he was doing his exam and there was an ambulance coming behind him. So what he did, he pulled over on the left side by giving left indicator very nicely. But when he moved off, he forgot to cancel the left indicator and he forgot to put the right indicator on. Okay, so at the end, examiner failed him. So now he is saying that that is not a failure. In his opinion, it is not failure. What do you think about it? Do you think it is a failure or not? Okay, in my opinion, as an expert opinion, that is a failure. The reason behind that is because whenever you pull up on the left, okay, you give your left indicator. Okay, nicely. That's what we teach you all the time. Whenever you give left indicator, pull up on the left nicely, and after that you cancel your left indicator. So he done exactly fine, but he didn't cancel that. When he moved off, he did all the around observations. That's what he said. He did all around observations and he moved off, but his left indicator was still on. So basically, he is giving the wrong indicator, because when you move off on the right side, you must give him your right indicator now, because you are moving off to going right, not on the left. Okay, so when you are doing that, obviously somebody is behind you, you're confusing to people, you're misguiding them. If somebody is behind you, okay, so he said nobody was around him. How do you believe? Because the person who forgot initially to cancel that left indicator and he forgot to put the right indicator on, okay, how do you believe the person is well aware that something is coming behind or not? Okay, so in my opinion, that was 100% failure. That's why examiner failed him, because whenever you move off, you always give the proper indicator, whichever the indicator is required. If you're moving off on the right side, you give right indicator. If you're moving off on the left side, you give the left indicator. Hope I answered the question. Thank you very much.